I tested 5 of the most viral side hustles you see all over YouTube, and trust me, half of them are pure fantasy. The other half can actually change your bank account. Let's break down the real numbers, time, and truth. No fluff. I gave myself 1 week. No fancy equipment, no prior experience, just a laptop and phone. My goal: find which side hustle can realistically make you money without quitting your job. Everyone says AI can make you rich overnight. I tried automating a blog with ChatGPT and Canva. Result? About 30 hours of work for $47 in ad revenue. The truth, it works, but only if you treat it like a business, not a magic button. Then I tried dropshipping a trending gadget, spent $80 on ads, made $94 in sales, profit, $14. Lesson: you need marketing skill more than products. Listed a friend's spare room on Airbnb for a cut. 2 nights booked, Sprainsimar, $160 profit. High reward, but high risk. Great if you love hospitality, terrible if you hate logistics. On Fiverr, I offered quick logo gigs using templates. In 1 week, $120 profit. Why it works: skill scales faster than trends. Finally, I tried editing TikTok YouTube clips for creators. Landed 2 small clients and earned $250. Fastest cash flow, no upfront cost, just time and creativity. Out of all 5, the real winners were freelancing and content editing. They pay instantly and teach skills that build long-term wealth. So next time you see a get-rich-quick ad, remember, results take consistency. Save this video, start one hustle, and thank yourself a month from now.